So to celebrate our 1-year anniversary at Superlost Coffee, we've decided to celebrate how far we've come by going even further. In specialty coffee, altitude is synonymous with quality. That's why you don't see any coffee growing here in New York City. Normally the best coffee in the world is grown around 5,000 to 7,000 feet up in a mountain. However, we want to take it to the next step. So we want to go higher. No, higher. No, higher. All the way up.
Traditionally, these weather balloons like this are used for measuring atmosphere, weather phenomenon, things like that, things of that nature. But we're not going to be doing any of that. We're actually going to attach some coffee right down here to the bottom of this balloon with a few other trinkets like a GPS and a GoPro, and we're going to send it up into space. So once we locate the balloon with the payload, we're going to use that GPS tracker that we put it on when we actually launched it. We're going to find it, we're going to get the coffee, and we're going to make a nice tasty Chemex out of that. And you, yes you, could even be there to try that tasty Chemex with us if you contribute enough.
But what's in it for me?
Congratulations, you won. Congratulations, you won.
So a little bit about us. Where we source our coffee is from these smaller micro lot, more single origin communities.
A little bit of what makes Superlost different is the fact that we work with a wide, diverse set of artists, and they design anything they want, and then we hand screen print each bag, limited edition number those bags, and then we give back a portion of each bag sold to the artist, as well as the region where the coffee was sourced from. So guys, anything you can contribute would be much appreciated. But if you can't contribute anything, go ahead and spread that all over social media using the hashtag #SuperLostInSpace,
Space Race 2018,
and Space Java. Let's beat those Russians in space.
again.